Hi, now I'm gonna show you a light sound transmitter. I have this plug over here, this plug. The music from my cellular goes out in this plug and comes inside this transistor over here. The transistor amplifies the signal and send it to this light. It's a LED light. The sound is sent by the light in pulses. Those pulses comes and reach this photocell. This photocell picks the light with pulses and turns it into current. The current comes into those wires and comes in this speaker, which is also an amplifier. Let's test this circuit to see how it works. I will play sound clicking over here. Now you're listening to this light sound. Watch. When I block the light, it will turn off. Do you see? I am blocking the light. When I block it, the sound stops. Again, I move it a little. Do you see? I will let a little light go out and the sound backs again. I will block it again, as you can see. Light can reach this photocell and then it can be converted the light signals into electrical current that this speaker will convert in sound. When I take out from blocking the light, the sound will come again. I'm gonna stop it from my cell phone. Here's the circuit. 1 transistor, 2 resistors, capacitor. This is the 3 batteries I'm using. Thank you guys, that's all for today.